I'm trying to keep this at like, ooh, don't move it over there. My room is so junky. But anyway, I am here today, guys, with a clothing haul from Forever 21. Look at me. I keep moving my camera. But anyway, let me show you. Okay, so back in January, back in January, I ordered these clothes from Forever 21. And because I was trying to do my room makeover, I didn't do my clothing haul. And now it's getting warm outside, and I don't know if I can wear anything in this box. So today's the day. I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to post this video, and then I'll get back to you with the room makeover reveal. Been procrastinating because I've been trying to be perfect. I wanted to do my room makeover first. That way I could come to you with everything all perfect, but it's just not going to work out that way. So I'm about to try these clothes on. All right, this is the first item. This is a Faux Snakeskin Kimono Duster. And this is a size small, and it was $22. Paired this with a pair of old jeans I already had. And I think I actually got these jeans from Forever 21 as well a long time ago, though. These are my favorite jeans. Yes. I don't know. They're high-waisted. They're so comfortable. I like that they're distressed. This is really sheer, so I can wear this now. I need to hurry up. Don't look at my belly button. But yeah, I can wear this now. I can wear it just like this, maybe with a pair of shorts. I don't know how they look because I haven't tried on with shorts. Definitely as a cover-up, I think it would look good with a white bathing suit just like this. I don't know. I like the white with the blue jean look because I did try this on with black, like the black tank and the black jeans. I didn't like that. I also tried it on with a black skirt, and that was even worse. Let me look. The side view, yes. High-low look. Put this on with some sandals and go. Okay, so here we go with look number 2. I love this look. I think this is my favorite. And unfortunately, it's one that I really can't get anywhere out of right now because it's like, I'm trying to stay on this rug, so excuse me, because I don't like wearing shoes in the house. I think it's nasty. So this is my little shoe wearing rug for the mirror. But anyway, the cardigan was from Forever 21. It's the Marled Longline Cardigan. I paid $35 for this. And the slip dress is the Floral slip cami dress, which was $19. And I only ordered this slip dress because I'm trying to add some color to my, well, not color because I have color. I'm trying to add print to my wardrobe. And it was an inexpensive way to do it. It was a creative way to do it. And this is the only way I'm going to wear it. Unless I like put a different something over it because I don't like slip dresses. I just don't like the way it looks when people put on like a pair of strappy heels with slip dresses because it looks like you actually have a slip on and you're going out the house. I just think it looks cheap to me. So, I mean, but this right here, some people might say you look like an old lady with cats. And I actually think it's more sexy to wear it like this than to wear it with just the dress and shoes because it leaves something to the imagination. So, okay, so here is look number 3. I love this top. Now, I paid $10 for it. So, for one, the price, because I'm cheap. Everybody that knows me know I'm cheap, and I am proud of it. So, $10 for this. But when I bought it, I thought I was buying a sweatshirt. So, I'm happy that it's a t-shirt instead of a sweatshirt. This is a medium because I like things to be kind of big and slouchy to make me look like I got more body than I actually do. Oh, let me tell you the name of the top. The top is the Lollipop Lips Graphic Pullover. And then the skirt is the stretch knit pencil skirt. I paid $14.99, so $15 for this. And I paired it with my Chucks. My white Chucks, which is fine because the white and the white girl, which is cool. We love white people. But the pair of shoes I bought to go with this outfit, I bought sneakers from Forever 21. Big mistake. They're cute, but I don't want to look like I'm trying too hard, and those shoes just make me look like I'm trying way too hard. So I decided to just go with the plain Chucks because, I mean, it's like an easy outfit. So here we have look number 4. This is the rib top and skirt set. This was $20, which I thought was a great deal. Definitely fall vibes. And I put it with this duster. If you notice, I have like a little pooch here. I have fibroids and ain't no sucking this girl in. It is solid. Like when I turn to the side, this is what it looks like. So I feel more comfortable when I have something on. So this is definitely gonna have to wait till fall because this is a lot. Because let me take it off so you can see. This is long sleeve. And I will pass out because I'm hot nature. It's easy. Like if you wanna go hang out for brunch with the girls or go out on a date or go walk around the mall or whatever you need to do, as long as you look cute with your mask on and whatnot, then this is no brainer. But these shoes, on the other hand, these are the shoes I ordered from Forever 21. Now, how much did I pay? These shoes were $28. Now, like I said, I got 60% off of everything. And I ordered a size 8, but I'm a 7.5 and they're too small. If I got to change out of my sneakers, it's just a no-go. So this would definitely be, oh, I'm going to the restaurant. I'm going to be sitting down. I'm going to eat and I'm going to go back to the car. And then I'm going in the house. Why do you need to change out of sneakers, child? I do like to walk. And I'm not putting dirty shoes in my purse. My hair just keeps getting worse. But here I am in look number 5. This is a button front midi dress. I ordered this in a small, as you can see. Shoot, this, honey, this looks like it could be extra small. This thing is gripping and hugging. It is doing the most. So I threw this blazer on from H&M about 2 or 3 years ago. But let me put this purse down. I wish I would have tried this stuff on sooner because, honey, I need a medium in this. And that's the thing about Forever 21. Like, they're so inconsistent with their sizes. Like, if I could count on them to always have the same size every time I purchase something, then I'll know, especially when I order online, what to do. But because that's just not the case with them, it's hard to know. I will definitely have to wear this in the winter, fall, because it's long sleeve. It's thick. And I love that because it makes it feel expensive. I feel like this looks really high end. And I think that's why I like wearing like solid colors, because you can make them look more expensive than they really are. But that could be just me. Y'all probably looking like, child, girl, bye. You look cheap in your Forever 21. Like, don't sleep on Forever 21. You just got to know what to pick. Very professional, I think. Oh, and of course I put them on my rain boots because I like things to be flat, okay? I like my shoes like my booty. This is look number 6. Now, this is a head to calf muscle because I don't have any shoes on right now, as you can see. This is a head to calf muscle Forever 21. Look, I'm laughing at myself for one because first on my mind is the fact that I don't have on anything besides Forever 21 except these earrings and this necklace because I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm like, dang, girl, you cheap. I really do shop at Forever 21. And I remember once I was in New York for my cousin's graduation, and I got some bougie family, and my family had some bougie friends. And we were passing Forever 21, and they were like dogging people that wear Forever 21. And normally I'm outspoken, but for some reason I just was not feeling, I wasn't feeling being roasted that day, so I didn't say anything. I probably had on, as a matter of fact, I did have on Forever 21 at the time. I should post, yeah, let me put a pic up here if I know how to do that because I'm not good at YouTubing. But anyway, let me go ahead and get back to this outfit. This item is what came with this haul. It was $8. It was like a super good sale. It's sheer. So I was like, I have a couple of things that I could do with this. Like I could put it on under a dress like I did here. I could put it on with a blazer. And it's not super, super sheer. Like I have a pink bra strap on. And it's a pretty bright pink. So you can barely see it. So I feel like it's one of those sheer tops where I could actually wear a blazer with it if I had on like an all black bra. And I wouldn't look like I'm half naked. Because I think that's a cute look if you do it in a tasteful way. And this dress is also from Forever 21, but I didn't get it with this haul. I actually bought this. I think I bought this in the store. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I paid like $12 for this dress. So I put it with my Forever 21 white purse. But yeah, I think this is cute. Maybe, just maybe, I could wear this with some chucks. I do have some gold chucks, but I think if I did white chucks with it, that might turn out better. I think I would like to wear mules with this. Like if I had a black pair of mules with like a gold buckle across the top, then that might look cute with this. I don't know. Okay, I am about to burn smack up in this. Oh, I didn't pull my card out. What is this? Okay, striped Chenille. Did you hear me? Yes, you heard correctly. Chenille sweater. I paid $26, or let's say the price on this is $26 because, as you know, I got 60% off of everything. This is actually a dress. I did not get this from Forever 21. I actually got the dress from Rainbow a long time ago. I bought this because I feel like I don't have enough sweaters in my wardrobe, and I was just trying to build my sweater collection. And whenever you get 60% off, that's a good time to do it. So, and it looks good with my chucks, I think. And let's show some more love to my Forever 21 white bag that I've never worn. But with these items, I can definitely get some wear out of this bag. So I'm happy with it. I think this came together nice. I saved the worst for last. This is my Shaggy open front cardigan. I paid $35 for this. This size is a medium and the color is taupe. And it sheds like a cheap synthetic wig. It reminds me of 4C hair when you get those little, you know how you get those little balls at the tips of your hair when you have a wash day? That's what this cardigan gives me. It gives me wash day vibes. And I won't wash this cardigan. When I wear this, I will spray it with Lysol, Febreze it, and hang it back in the closet because if I wash it, the entire cardigan is going to end up in the lint catcher in the dryer. Because it's just going to fall apart because that's all it's doing is shedding everywhere. But if I could return it, I definitely would. But of course, I waited too long for that. So that is no longer an option. Anybody want this sweater? All right, that's my final look. Y'all, I am eating and trying to wrap up this video because I'm hungry. It took me from 10:30 to 2:30 to finish this video. To say I ordered that stuff like 3 months ago, I didn't know what I was going to be getting into, but I'm pretty satisfied with it. There were 2 items, the sneakers and the Shaggy sweater. If I could, I'd return those, but like I said, far beyond the return date. But anyway, I gotta get out of here. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.